In this quick video, I'll show you how to make Google Drive link for photos. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So first of all, open any browser in your computer and search here drive.google.com and it will open Google Drive website for you. Then tap on go to Drive and then we need to log in here with our Google account. So let me just log in here with my Google account. Once you log in here, locate your image which you want to share. My image is in my folders, so this was the image which I want to share. If you have multiple images, then select all of them. So for that I just need to left click on my image, then you can hold Ctrl on your keyboard and select multiple images from your Google Drive, or you can press Ctrl A to select all of your images. But I don't want to select all images, I just want to select this image, so I'll select it. Then all we need to do is right click on your image, then go to share, or you can simply tap on these three dots on the right side of your image. Then again you can go to share and tap on share from here, and now it will open a new window for you. Here we can change our access for our image. If you want to share your image to anyone, then change your general access to anyone with the link and copy the link from here and share it to your friend or whoever you want to share, and then they can access your image and download your image from your link. But in case you want to only share your image with a specific people or person, then change your general access to restricted and type in here their email address, and then they can access your image through your link. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.